Hi everyone, my name is Amit and welcome to Dam Creations with yet another video. Today we'll be unboxing a brand new phone launched by Xiaomi. It is Redmi 12 5G. We ordered it yesterday and we got it delivered today. It's probably one of the best 5G phones, as per the specs. But let's see how the phone looks like, and let's start with unboxing. So here's the packing. Here's a Amazon packing. Let's start with unboxing. This is how it looks. It has got a beautiful display, and it says 5G Redmi 12 5G on the box. Right, let's open it up. Before that, let's also look at the specifications, which is mentioned right behind. You may take a look at this. I'll just try to quickly explain this to you. So it's called Redmi 12 5G. It has got a Snapdragon processor, 4 Gen 2 mobile platform. This says it's a more power efficient chip, which is a 4 nanometer, which is based on 4 nanometer technology. It has got a 6.79, which is roughly 6.8 inch full HD screen. So this is good. It's a full HD screen coming at this price point. It also has Corning glass protection, so Corning Gorilla glass protection. It has got a 50 megapixel dual camera, and at the back, and a front-facing camera is 8 megapixel. It has a crystal glass design. So at the back, what they're saying is it has crystal glass. So we'll look at that. So the specs look really strong. It has got a 5000 milliamp hour battery, UFS 2.0 storage. It has got 90 hertz adaptive screen display. And it has got a 22.5 watt charger. So the charger, the brick comes in the box. You can expand the RAM up to 16 GB. And the touch sampling rate is 250 gigahertz, and you can expand the storage. So if you want more storage, you can also expand it up to 1 TB. It has got a side mounted fingerprint sensor. So it does not have in-display fingerprint sensor, which is quite common these days. It has got a side mounted fingerprint sensor, right? And it's the best part, it's made in India. We've ordered the 4 GB 128 GB variant. So yeah, let's unbox the phone. Okay. Right. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so the first thing which comes out is the phone. Right, we'll keep this aside. Let's see what else do we get inside the box. Okay, looks like they do offer a case and a little bit of paperwork. So this is the paperwork. Okay, and there is this case, which we'll look at a little later. This is the cable, the charging cable. This is USB A to Type C. Yes, this is a USB, and they offer the power brick in the box itself. So this is a 22.5 watt charger, which is available in the box itself. So you don't have to actually buy the brick separately. It is there in the box. Nothing else in the box. So yeah, let's look at the phone. Right, here is the phone. Okay, it comes in this blue color. We'll just open this. Okay, this looks really premium. Right. Okay, so this looks good. It's well built. It looks sturdy. It has big screen. 6.8 is really big. If you have been using a 6-inch phone or a 6.5-inch phone, this will look big, right? So yeah, I mean, if you need big hands, to kind of ensure you reach the length and breadth of the phone. So there is a 3.5mm jack as well, if you can see, and there is a IR blaster, like in all Redmi phones they offer. And yeah, at the bottom there's a speaker. This is a speaker. This is Type C charging. This is the microphone. At the side, this is the the fingerprint sensor, as well as and the top there's a power. So this is the volume up and down. This is pretty tactile. It feels good. Let's see the SIM card slot and see what is the combination they are offering. So here's the SIM card toolkit. Okay. Okay, beautiful. So this does offer you an option to expand your storage as well. So you can put, one SIM and one memory card, or you can put two SIM cards as well. So both options are available. Let's put it back. Okay, so the phone looks really good. Here there are the cameras. You can see two cameras and the flash right here. And here you've got the 8 megapixel front-facing camera. So this looks a good phone, well built. It's quite big actually. That's something which I notice. And at the price point, this is available. The new Snapdragon processor and the 5G option, which is available on this phone. This looks like probably the best 5G phone available, the best budget 5G phone available at this stage. We are in August. So yeah, I think it's a good phone. If you're looking at a 5G phone at a price point of around 11,000 to 12,000, at a discounted rate, we used the SBI card and we got a good deal on Amazon. So if you're looking at a phone in around 11,000, 12,000 sort of a range, this is a good phone. We'll boot it and we'll see how good the user interface is, and then probably we'll do a detailed video a little later. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching the video, and see you in our next video.